Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take my daughter's super small room and make it super cute. So I've partnered up with Cricut to show you guys a fun project using products that you already have on hand. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and jump right into Cricut Design Space. This is the file that I have created for you in case you want to recreate this exact same project. Now keep in mind during this time, Cricut is giving away extra free files. So definitely make sure and check that out. So let's go ahead and go. Now, I've already got this ready to go. All you have to do is make it. You can resize these if you want. I've broke down the bold and beautiful so that way it fits on a 12 by 12 sheet. And then I've also attached these circles so that way they fit on the mat a little bit better as well. So everything is completely ready to go, and we're going to make small circles, bigger circles, and then we're going to use that hashtag bold and beautiful. So let's go ahead and get ready to cut this out. Today I'm going to be using my Cricut Explore Air 2, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And I already have my dial set to vinyl, so all I have to do is load my material on my mats and go. Alright, so all that's left to do is to load each mat one at a time. So first off is this super cute pattern that is a white and black polka dot. It's a ton of fun, and these will be linked down below in case you guys are curious to which ones I used. Now this is just some regular black. All of these are removable vinyl, by the way, guys. So whenever you get done with this, you can take it off without tearing up any of your paints. So these ones right here actually came in a vinyl pack, these black pieces here. They came in a really fun vinyl pack that you can actually see right over there in the right hand corner, and they come in like all of the neutral colors. This next pattern here is a ton of fun. It's one of my favorites, and like I said, these will be linked down below. And also, if you notice, I've been weeding at the same time, so what I'm doing is weeding and loading the mat, so that way I can continuously work and get things done a lot quicker. I thought I would slow down here and show you how easy it is to weed this stuff. So if you guys have not tried Cricut's removable vinyl, it's awesome. Okay, so here what we're going to do is we're going to add some transfer tape. So I'm just going to trim this down to size. So for the bold and the beautiful, for the words, you're going to want to use some transfer tape, but for the circles, you're not going to need it. You can definitely just use those like a sticker, but for anything that's going to have small pieces, you definitely want to use some transfer tape. So I'm just going to go over the whole thing, and then I'll take my scissors here in just a second and I'll cut it in half and then trim that down. Also, make sure you guys rub this in very well so it's going to be easy to transfer to the wall. Now that we have everything prepped and ready to go, let's get started. Now, my daughter actually did this project for me because I had to control the camera, so you can see that she's just lining that up. We just kind of eyeballed and figured out where we wanted the font to go. If you notice, we lost the letter and, but we just kept rolling with it. I still like it. It's hashtag bold and beautiful. We actually got a little bit too crazy into it. So what you want to do is just kind of hold it at an angle here and just nice and slowly take it off. So it's really easy to apply to the wall, and then it's going to be really easy to take off when we decide to change it. Now, as you can see that she does not need transfer tape. She's just simply taking the circles and just going all over the wall. Wherever she decides, she's just randomly choosing. And what's awesome is if you decide you don't want one there, you can simply pull it off and, you know, throw it away or put it in another spot. So she's just adding different colors, different sizes, all over the place. Now, this is a perfect project. She is 17 years old, so this is a great project for those teens that are stuck at home and really need something to do. You could totally let your teens design this project. We designed this project together, so you could let them do that. You could let them cut it out and then place it all on the walls. It's just a ton of fun to really add something extra for the teens because it's really hard to keep them entertained, not only for teens, but anybody at this point. This is a great way to make yourself some removable wallpaper, because if you guys know, that stuff is expensive. And this was using the colors I already had on hand. I had all of these supplies at the house. I didn't have to leave the house to craft this, and this is a perfect way to stay safe during this time. Stay at home and craft and create yourself some amazing wallpaper. Something so simple transformed this room into super cute. This was a very small space and now it looks so cute. She loves it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.